stands for? The CIT stands for Cash in Transit. You'll notice this is a WhatsApp writing style. So you won't write I am, you will say M, which would mean you have to understand that it's the youngsters writing language on WhatsApp. It's not the real English, but yeah, it is. And in the following page, commissioners, I'm continuing with the communications that that Mr. Brown Mkhwanazi continued to send me. He sent me these further screenshots, which included the screenshot of a presentation that was made, that's before the screenshot, the message that was, as I said, that he said, I'm going to check my standing with General Khumalo. And immediately after that, he sent a screenshot at 9:20 in the morning. And I must say, it might not be clear on the attachment, commissioners, but that screenshot is written a year and the name of the division, Division Crime Intelligence Policies for 2024-2025. I think if we get a clearer print, I will see that. So as you can see, it's a picture that was taken in an angle. Someone took a photo of the presentation as it was made. He took it with a cell phone, and whether it was him present in the meeting or someone who was in that meeting, as you, by reading the heading of what the presentation on the projector says, it's definitely issues of crime intelligence that only people that supposed to have knowledge about crime intelligence policies and the likes should be part of this presentation. And the following message that he sent me 2 minutes later, he then says, I hope you understand.
Before you go on, General, did you get to know whether there had indeed been such a presentation?
I did confirm with the Divisional Commission of Crime Intelligence, and he did confirm that there was a presentation that was made a day before this screenshot was sent. So, and he confirmed that Brown Mkhwanazi was not in that meeting. The people that were in the meeting is a minister, some of the minister's staff, and only management of crime intelligence. Only the senior management of crime intelligence that were in that meeting. So it is one of the people that was in that meeting that took the screenshot and sent it, of course, to Brown. As I hope you understand, will revert confidentially is key here. That was his word. I hope you understand, will revert confidentiality is key here. So hence I say, commissioners, that this meant one of the two things, that either Mkhwanazi was part of the meeting or a senior person, either from the police or from the ministry that was in the meeting, shared this meeting with this Brown Mkhwanazi. And that was a concern for me, because a person who's not a police officer, even worse, a person who's not working at crime intelligence, will sit in such a meeting and be able to take copies of presentations. And, or alternatively, someone from... No, you are safe, commissioners.
Apologies, Chair.
As technology, it happens.
We were trying to